The middle name is Joseph, last name is Mosley. I come from the city they call East. Located on the street they call Pontiac, 1620. That's where I used to be.
Since you needed to they wanted to rap, so I got it out of the way.
Got this rap out the way, all right.
No, I do thunder gospel. That's what I do. That's what he do. Thunder gospel. LB asked me what.
I'm just a producer on it.
Yeah, I do thunder gospel. So, where there's thunder, there's rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. Better in mind. God told the Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. That is in mind. God told the Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time, listen. Back in the day, the Bible say that Noah told the people that it's gonna rain. They didn't listen, no, they paid no mind. And guess what happened? They got left behind. I'm telling you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. That is in mind. God told the Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time. Here in this day, you'll see the Bible saying that Jesus told the people that it's gonna rain. If you don't listen, you get paid no mind. Guess what's gonna happen? You'll get left behind. I'm telling you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. That is in mind. God told the Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time, it's gonna rain. But by next time, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. You better get ready. That is in mind. God told the Lord, look for the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but by next time. What by next time? What by next time? What by next time? What my man say, Jack and B.